Wagwan ENT.
Sentence saying me, I go murder them. And when them up, then me, I go murder them. With them, I kill them, me, I go murder them. I mean, now sentence saying me, tell them, no boy, Billy, but in farm, I be that, gonna play in farm, you give me 1 ounce. Me tell him, no boy, Billy, but in farm, I be that. Boy, I want to tell you that, no, no. Don't care them, don't care them, don't care them, don't care them, don't care them. Gonna in a belly magazine, in a mouth, where them, I go do a black. Him come out to shot him. Gonna out a belly magazine, out the mouth, one, the boy, go step up the carry. Me cry rub. You see? And then, Big Panther, I'm gonna say nothing. All this Papa man you control. Now go ahead and sit, never say no more. Come in! Black cat come again, and a some boy life in. I know, dance it, what a sound brad. Hey, hey, run things. Black cat is broad. Ooh, you say you wanna challenge Black Cat, but Cat will throw you to the ground. Didn't you know Black Cat moves all over town? Are you blind now? What did you see? Black Cat wearing the crown. Now in your own tears I'm gonna make you drown. Go down, sound boy, go down. Go down, sound boy, go down. Oh yeah, send them, go back where them come from. Send them, let them know they were wrong. Send them, go back where them come from. Send them, whoa. If you huff and puff, we'll throw you down. Ever test the cat, we put you away. And if you eat the count, you will be said. I got your ma, dog and your papa. Mixed breed animal, you're gonna end up in funeral. Go call the sergeant, go call the corporal. Go tell them that this is fatal. Whether you come from St. Catherine or you come from Port Royal. Go, send them, go back where they come from. Send them, let them know they were wrong. Send them, go back where they come from. Send them, send them, go back where they come from. Yeah, you may talk to me, never you may talk to me. I'm afraid to talk to blood clad you. And here's a little animal boy. Your girl left you due to certain circumstances with the distances. Your goat left you, your fowl left you, your pig left you. You say you control the cow now. Here's a little cowboy, you see 2 guns by your side.
Listen,
cool,
listen.
You want to go and good too. And you couldn't, I don't care what kind of star you want. You could even star where shine up the sun. Respect the star, they're the same. But you could have even gold star, African star, or black star, any type of fucking star, white star, any star you want it. You see Black Cat, we're going to kill every blood clot star. Or if you even want to turn moon, we easily find you because you're bigger. You cowboy, you see you go into the wrong hole, and you want with the wrong hole, then you still a correspond with the wrong hole them. You can never test the black. Captain Barty, you hear the boy, you know the new name. New name, the animal man them the man, the way you can't see trouble it. New name, the animal man them. I know woman must have to get children. Go boy, for the man the fuck go. If they want them in the dark, let's shut them out now. Go boy, for the man let it go. Animal man them, let's shut them out now. Them demand them no easy. And them flow and a squeeze me as they look and ball out. God Almighty, and on the same way them go and hide it. And when the power box, them want fight it. But you see children know the cow long, they know if they caress it. Know if they hold the cow and make him take it easy. Then he got it close, he's on him as again. Take a side now, another cow is coming to take over. And if you don't whine good, then you want to jump on the shoulder. Then him balance out the ball cowboy. See the man let us go. If you want them, they can't find from them now. You see that select the boy, you and I see a boy that the man is seen, man. From a distance. Hey, cool ya, man. Kill them, Black Cat. At the same time, we come on back, you don't wrestle bone dice, easy. Lord of mercy. Murder in the camp, man. Here I go. Lord of mercy. Give it to the boy, this. No. Me boss on why rogue go set your funeral plan. No. Because tell them tonight, Black Cat, they must kill one. Because all them a try, son boy, they can't pass through. We kill one zone already, now you need two. That's why we tell all of them about murder. And now the same thing come, it will pass on the day.
I tell you.
Man, they might give them the body wash, but it's when they might give you the body wash, they might give it from a distance. But don't come near to we. Cause your AIDS and syphilis might get trippers. Come lick out me to a nail and give me a head too. From a distance. Hey, cool ya, man. Kill me a Black Cat. At same time, we come on back.
Right.
Lord of mercy.
Listen this shit.
Yeah, man. Same time.
No.
Lord of mercy. You tell what it is. Me ball son, why rogue go set your funeral plan. Because tell them tonight Black Cat they must kill one. Because all them a try, some boy them can't pass through. We kill one sound already, now you need two. That's why we tell all of them about murder. And now the same thing come it, only pass on the date. But I show them in a pretty picture, them the target. We crank up and shot it when we a kill pussy. When we do it in a public and the physical.
Alright, Bunny General. Here was. I'm asking it one more time because I want to know what one. Know why you back road star? Okay, I get the final mission.
Yeah.
Come in, dude.
Oh, you know Black Cat don't come to fight physical in this time, you know. For musical wickedness in dancehall places. So some boy, hide your faces. No, culture, culture, Max. Max, we call you. Now when time you deal with dub places, crucifixion, some boy, whatever. He's out for the competition. Max, touch, get a load, man.
See them, none sign and seal. Some class two for Black Cat. Also not reveal. You know when you see that? What's the old boy? Me tell you no. Some boy you go to the berry. Oh no, she say Black Cat is got
Pull up. I tell you.
For musical wickedness in dancehall places. So some boy, hide your faces. Now we are the king. Culture, Max. Culture, Max. Max, we call you. Now when time you deal with dub places, crucifixion, some boy, whatever. He's out for the competition. Max, touch, get a load, man.
See them, none sign and seal. Some class two for Black Cat steal. Also not reveal. You know when you see that? What's the old boy? Me tell you no. Some boy you go to the berry. Oh no, she say Black Cat him got the two. Me tell you no. Some boy you go to the berry. Oh no, she say Black Cat him got. What's the man? No target achievement. The Black Cat lick from a long time. Only a sunset me notice Black Cat play step by step. And now I play upon a mellow surface before me gonna further. Papa no respect. Trouble. Sound class two of it that day I get. Time is a struggle, full time is silly. So any sound test, I go run up in a deck. Me tell you no. Some boy you go to the berry. Oh no, she say Black Cat him got the two. Me tell you no. Some boy you go to the berry. Oh no, she say Black Cat him got the two. What's that? Super D, Stone Love, Super T, Sweet Love, Super J, Femina, Black Scorpio. Then dead, Gilbert, Roadstar, Bodyguard, Lone Star, Black Star, what's a killer, Majaro. Then dead, let's a post on the black that some boy say, Mr. Mount Almighty. Hey, hold on, watch this. After your job, the Black Cat down, you can't live in peace.
You got your tune to the twist.
You're talking about the original champion Black Cat sound. All you papa, you control this different man. Now Pink Panther, you kill them dead already. You don't want to use the kayak already. Now introduce to the man like original Tony Rebel. Step up.
When you know it go when we pass through, we talk from we are carry original got that. Rhythm the talk, got them sound boy, but it's them chat too much, man. Watch this. You want to big up? Oh Lord of mercy. Original go and Tony Rebel tell that sound boy, say Mr. Mount Almighty. Hey, oh Lord, watch this. After your job with the Black Cat sound, you can't live in peace. We just give them some brand new release. After your job with the Black Cat sound, you can't live in peace. We just give them some brand new release. After you try your hustle in and sell some musical video compound with doorstep. Find some musical video carry name gonna station to start January. That you are broadcast free. How much are you are no but music we eat and a music we free. Anytime you're ready you can come free and feed that to your time with a Black Cat sound you can.
Well, look for the little chicken sound. I want this big bad Black Cat. Here's how I kill some sound. Don't you take from a clown. When sound play a type of tune like all them junior, you feel you can play sound like this sound.
Sound boy!
No!
We kill you already, and we happen to kill you again, and yet still you return. Well, anyway,
Kill all the people that listen tune for the money.
you go 6'6" into the fucking hole. Because you say Black Cat, we no pet, we no powder, we are murderer, terrorist, a man panic, you got your pension and Panther. There is road boy. Got to quiet now.
Listen to it. Bad boy sound. Hey, when I disrespect nobody, but you can't see a sound and play them quality tune and play like all time tune them. A modern days, you know. This is no more granny thing.
Foot 6. into the fucking room. Because you see, black cat, we no pet, we no powder, we are murderer. There is a man panic, you got your pension and Panther. Billy Road boy.
Wounded child, somebody got to quiet, man. Got to quiet. Somebody will understand it now. The way the things are run. There's no hope, no chance, no escape from the sound. But every time you lift your head above water and try to save yourself from drown, we got a package of plates all worked out, designed to mash you down. Sound boy, you're putting up a resistance. Black cat gonna mash you down. Sound boy, putting up a resistance. We gonna mash you down.
Alright, Paris. And chill out the people, I know I'm a fool. I wanted them to come around and get play them already, must know the sound of going with things. I hear some little man a plan to talk about, tell them man, them say one dub for dub if they lock you off. But dub is...
Early you try to do things though, yeah man. Yeah man, you look a son boy walking, talking about dub for dub and without clotting. But dub your mother, and me and my girl dub in a bed together, I look for them and tell them it's Prato.
Lock up the sun and go on, we're not playing a dub for dub.
Them and them laugh to murder people, Panther my friend, you then get again. Mackerel, and wicked man, them can't deal with bad boy attack. Yeah man, run the rhythm and we not waste no time. Got dub in a mother sound boy, and me and my girl dub, original bad boy bunch, and look back and chat people. Early man, before I come down, come get into green.
I'll tell you.
Them attack, both them have the most up on a brag. Say them have the best, it does but no fear. In no responsive man, dub we are gonna murder them. I go kill them now. Them attack, but up it up, tell them go dub them. Mother Panther and him girl, dub in a bed.
Come on!
Original black cat, yeah man, I'm early out to do things though, yeah man. Yeah man, you look a son boy walking, talking about.
Why am I so the son, you?
But up your mother, and me and
get them station too good,
Prato, them wicked you, the papa. Last got them and them laughing murder people, Panther my friend, you them dead again. Mackerel, all of the Christian and wicked man, them bad boy attack. Yeah man, run the rhythm and we not waste no time. Got up with the mother sound boy, and me and my girl, that original bad boy bunch, and look for me and shot people. Early man, before I come down, come get into green a can. Tell the brothers to rock. Them attack, both them have the most up on a brag. Say them have the best, it does but no fear. Him no responsive man, dub we are gonna murder them. Black cat a go kill them now. Them attack, but up it up, tell them go dub them. Mother Panther and him girl dub in a bed together. Yeah, fit up boy go dub your father. Maybe dub your sister. I'll dub your mama. Papa now go dub you. I dub your father. Panther, wash me gonna rinse it 9 blood sing the knife in 9 heart. Till it touch mother near me. Wash me gonna rinse it 9 bloody for the Santana. Or the 6 shooter slug yeah.
Real up, y'all, you know, borrow, y'all, cause I got sister, y'all, when you a walk on the road, you know. Hold on!
I'll tell you.
Get to the man and my little son, black cat, kill people, we murder them. Come in!
Yes, it's
Let's leave the 90s, come king, how we kill people. Yeah, my even Nancy, fuck, no orientation, people dead before the man. Back, watch a man, black cat, excess amount of things that go on, man. People mad the orientation, man, who wants you to put a girl and Peter France, never pass away, yeah, real up, y'all, you know, borrow, y'all, cause I got sister, y'all, when you a walk on the road, you know, real up, expensive and that. You know borrow girl shoes and you know borrow you get it hate you. Do you look sweeter than them? You get it hate you. Do you look nicer than them? You get it hate you. But you can't knock your body. You get it hate you. Do you want to?
Watch them talk. Catch it from your little sister in a way. Ewam! Roadstar, I'm not telling a lie. If I them tune you say I play for kill cat. How you really say I do? Man, I laugh at me, say them all shot me. You don't know me? You know why shot me? You know, I laugh at me like a badness thing I bring to me. You take man for fool. Chill on the crew. I'm not telling a lie. You don't listen carefully now. Look why I miss something come and jump up and some barrel and play. And I see Quincy Jones play like half an hour what the fuck. I'm just gonna stand up. I'm gonna stop cheer. I make a little things. I know this is like a bad mind selector, but man I come down from bike here, come and jump back. I'm not busy with you. I never tell if I play a sound for box food.
Wagwan ENT.
Yeah man, you must work for money. You go long enough on Roadstar, you can't buy good shoes. Massive. Everything in play and me counter rocking. He make a big respect. But who can't play and who can't play Joy White. Joy White I give me special frame until I said I don't want it, I prefer fuck her.
Well, call people. Big up, so you're nice every time. I sister Joy White bring the great pioneer to you.
I mean, I'm not here no more. You know what you're wrong with? Yeah, play some little sugar minor. I got teacher ass glad to play a tune tonight.
Booger minor on the case, man.
Yes!
You look for some boy.
Say,
Watch
what
your
clown?
man look up face, you run up, look up out what they say now. Well, leader.
You can't play one more round, cause you're done.
I'm talking to you now. What a rock, what a rock. Oh, what a rock, sound like black cat. The black cat him there some mash up a sound. Daddy cat him there such a sound a sound. Black cat him there some mash up a sound. Daddy cat him there such a sound a sound. Oh, well, black cat you're the ruling sound.
When I saw I play a tune like them too, oh, that roaster to kill me. Yeah, I play a ladies job when I pass a studio every day. Till I said Panther says so. I can't defend myself. No!
Now big things taken and black cat come out, alright? And I just said that. Just wait up, get wet up and splash up, splash up, call them
Coop on you too if you're a dog, we have means.
Sans bees, what's another thing there? I don't know what I'm saying for waste. And mercy, black cat in the pants. Let me tell you, cat in the under mercy.
No!
I had a sound like sleep, but me dead hot. What a rat, like it up in a black cat. Sound
I want to roaster. I want to plan something against me. A Panther around this. If a shot, never kill this.
black cat come up, big things taken like a man's bees, what's another thing there?
Watch
Really
this.
rude boy, I don't know what I'm saying for waste. And mercy, black cat in the party.
Watch this.
Let me tell you,
Quincy Jones.
cat in the under mercy. I had a sound like sweet, but me dead hot. What a rat, like the buck up in a black cat. Sound like sweet, but me flat hot. What a rat, like the buck up in a black cat. Sound boy, them a speed up, sound boy a flash. Buck up in a black cat and one turn back. Use the box wire, drop them in back. Use a dub plate and bust him head top. Which part him reach not down at.
What you carry? Sunshine.
No! Hajana!
Mercy. Watch out, you people dead. Yeah, yes.
No!
Listen now. She goes out to the man.
Hey! Quincy Jones, a long time I come and chill out, they come kill his own. He's a fucking clown. You can't try to kill me. Yeah, play massive, I want to listen carefully now. Oh, me play sound. You play something good tune, every tune you play me counter rock, you play part 2, I play part 3. Remember that.
Reach forever change.
You think how easy boy this?
Rhythm. Oh.
Boy, you try lock up, but who know what here? If cat left you say dance done.
Now mercy. Watch out, you people dead. Yeah, yes. Listen now. She goes out to the man. She say, sir, can you help me? Now, when it's gone, I have nowhere to sleep.
I'll tell you.
Black it's all, can you help?
What I'm saying?
You say now, oh, think twice, guys. It's just another day for black and sunny paradise. Oh, think twice, guys. It's just another day for black and sunny paradise. Nice. You think
Now let's go.
in the name of the Lord, black cat looking kinky. That's how they get the feet. We don't use the name of the Lord, black cat kinky. That's how they get the feet. Give me the black cat, want the black cat. Give me the black cat, Give me the black cat. Me ball, y'all know your pussy printer. I need it, y'all know your body rider. I ball, y'all know your pussy printer. What? I need your body rider. I ball, y'all know the front of the car. That's why your nigga, she want me one. I ball, yeah, and the man not top spar. That's why your nigga, she want me. Read it in the cleaner and read it in the star. Black cat, y'all them a superstar. Them count the money and them drive the car. Near the past sidewalk and a sell star. Come again. Y'all in your pussy printer, watch ya. I need the y'all in the body rider. Y'all in the pussy printer. Black cat, y'all in a pussy printer. So big it up. Y'all because you fat till it up. So it buck up like the hood in on me.
Well, I tell you, a Panther play the sound, and I can't tell any guy anything. I can't defend myself. Well, Quincy Jones, are where you want him. From Nigeria, play something to hear that tune. If you play that tune, for special, I lock off the sound and go home. I miss it, sir. For special. I made this, I can't defend myself. I'm a big man. Watch this.
Yo, dance steppers. This is a message from the original them Dada Jabani Whaler, telling all this to give the sound boy.
Yes.
Don't test champion sound, Black Cat, you hear? He said the Black Cat, he made the champion something called the Dum Dada. He said the Black Cat, something called the Dum Dada.
No.
So he said the Black Cat, he made the champion something called the Dum Dada.
Pull up. Roadster, I ever kill cat when I play all the type of tune like this. I play later Shabba and them thing. And the Joy White, Joy Black.
Yo, dance steppers.
No.
This is a message from the original them Dada Jabani Whaler, telling all this to give the sound boy. Don't test the champion sound, Black Cat, you hear? Me said the Black Cat, he made the champion something called the Dum Dada. And he so bad, me said the Black Cat, he made the militant something called the Dum Dada. And he so wicked, me said the Black Cat, he made the champion something called the Dum Dada. Don't test some boy, me said the Papa Cat, he made the champion something called the Dum Dada. Bum bum bum, hey, everywhere in the gang call him Dum Dada. He made the champion song in the area. Wrote the song boy, Black Cat at the champion. He made the killer and the dance all veteran. All dance steppers me say yes papa. When make you know say him a Dum Dada. For a Papa Cat.
Alright, buddy. And you know, like a daylight now, massive. You hear the whole burial thing when you play. Who you buried? Things at church, this are dance. I hear the man with a bag of hands and sing like in a jump choir.
Yeah man, you little sound boy will kill you already. You come back again, you go like a Black Cat, you go like a night light. Let me tell you something, Mr. B. You go like a gunman and you have gun down. Let me tell you something, Papa. The Black Cat gonna decent blow job if you don't like that boy face to the bus.
Start cutting out one more before it starts.
Our feet are one of the wickedest things. Terror fabulous, Samba to attack, you fabulous. Stop cross on the awarding sound. Yes, for real. Rhythm. I have some sound of go wicked. This is what you want to start with this hood boy. I don't know where for the Black Cat. Watch no. Later, every time. Chihuahua, 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 Emal, Chibidabra then, la 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 la, here we go, sound, I go give them probably them on the yemi, Chilala, Chilala, le bang le, on the yemi, Chibla cat, what do you say? Say even though can press your trigger, if you will just press it. We not take no outside and no bullshit. Say even though can press your trigger, if you will just press it. We will use the head back to target, back it. Fool you fool, tell we about you a convict. How much sound you murder, how much head you lick, how much gun you have and you no shoot and miss. Well if a sudden, prove it to the public and if a false, that mean you kick the bucket or something. Kick the bucket, that mean blood I go give. If you can't trigger, if you will just press it. Me not take no outside and no bullshit. So even though can press the trigger, if you will just press it. We will use the head back it. Watch this, what say? Look man, part two for them. Capping Panther, Nambo, you Nambo, Scotty Nambo. Chung the
final show.
Nambo, so I don't.
Before start, so we are doing.
Hey, Christian people watch out,
You can't stand it, lock off and go.
Why about the dead? So we tell them that this show get right, let's still on this program. You're Black Cat up on the masculine set. Watch out people. Right? Here for that, come on, cheer around here, we can come here. All of them and them when I get the program. Then if we show up, push up on your hand. And Black Cat man, then I get the program. So Pink Panther, push up in and get out. No, you're not for this program. No, they put your mouth under no young woman. No, you're not for this program. No, they put your mouth on no man long done. This time, tell them to not talk in our face. I said, but time when you say them not stop free face. Tell them to not bother come close. I feel on the way, them go in a house. This time, tell them to them better stay far. I tell them be about get people apart. This time, tell them to not bother come here. I will not spot and the people say, all kind of here and say, no, you're not for this program. No, they put your mouth under no young.
No running.
No, you're not
come kill some.
Come and take my shot. We can M1 with it hard. For the Black Cat get the key, them I watch it fight cock. When they bang a leg it hard. For the Black Cat, them I watch it fight cock. What was the Black Cat? When you was preaching, enough of them get it.
I'm in Hawaii no more. Remember, Roadstar, when you play like how me play, you can kill cat. Come in, come play some tune over here we are going with. What a fucking boy fool. Massive, we don't look good enough. We don't see nobody move like a while, and we see everybody come out. I got to tell me about when me a place, man now come look at my face. I don't want a man look at my face. What kind of tune you play? You play some long time racetrack thing and a dancer. Roadstar, you sing on a tune. Massive. Wanna listen good. I waste my time here, so come here star. Quincy Jones, I call up my name. You want man knows your name. You know Pink Panther. You want me to go play your cassette and say, well, I'm glad Quincy Jones, you know the bad boy too. Stop calling my name, man. Call your own name, because nobody know you. Massive. The man make me feel like I want to sleep. It's the last thing I know. I first me go and clash on other vibes. Quincy Jones, you not playing a tune.
Now hear this.
Lock off this.
And that cat comes trouble.
Listen artist.
Trouble. And you never song looks like
It's an old tune, I can play all them tune.
can. Step class search party and deal with the kids. Fast. Alright. Mama.
No.
Yeah, now. Tell me why blood cat shouldn't be.
Hold on there. I feel like go on my yard, you know, but you know what? Me I play a little sound, and it's a clown sound. Cause I'm not playing a tune, and me alone I play tune. You don't play a good tune, I dance all night. I'm back like an idiot thing, and that's why you want to kill cat. Massive, don't listen good. I don't feel like a sound like Roadstar can kill Black Cat. Can't see where you want to name it Quincy Jones. Play a tune like them tune have a kill sound.
Now hear this. Because when Black Cat comes, trouble. And the other song who try to play this one shall go down in Vatican.
You done big already, I don't want more boy what you want to do. A Panther this.
Alright. Mama. Yeah, now.
Go.
Tell me why Black Cat shouldn't be my sound for like
I'll tell you.
You know that the Black Cat will always be my sound for
Here one niggas.
yeah. Said it give me joy and happiness and I feel good all over.
Quincy Jones, my boss, play for your true like that in broke.
All original Black Cat crew just go and big up man. Cat and Pink Panther. Let me tell you, so the sound boy are growing a talk about them want to kill Black Cat. Anytime when we
Respect to my bad man friend them from view.
I'm from exactly
A pass
Don't run. You marrow print for my gun. Ready road boy. Everything tie up and lock up. Gamble let love go. Let the love stay. Keep on dubbing down. I made a song for the Black Cat. I try to keep on playing. Come here till you something say. It is a hard road to travel. And a mighty long way to go. And if you try to take Black Cat before the night do the jump and I go play.
Here I'm doing.
Well, people dead again. Black Cat I rinse smack. Then people dead again.
Hey, I want to take man for. We look at all son in your roadside. You can't play Black Cat. Man, I laugh at my shot. You don't know me? I take man for fool. Just the man run sound. Watch this. Come in, cat.
All original Black Cat crew just go and big up man Papa Scotty and Pink Panther. Let me tell you, so the sound boy are growing a talk about them want to kill Black Cat. Anytime when you're ready for dead, just show up and make Black Cat flow.
Roadside, you don't know about town, they pack up and go home long time.
I print for my gun. Ready road boy. Everything tie up and lock up.
If you stop playing town, you're not getting no date.
Gamble let love go, gamble let the love stay. Keep on dubbing down, I made a song for the Black Cat. Keep on playing, come here till you something say. It's a hard road. Let's do the jump.
Hold on there. Bring in a what? In a hole or what? Shut them out, man. I'm a star, you hear me? How you want to mash up the dance? Me a play or you play? Oh, no, listen, Roadstar dub them. It's a car here and name, you know, long hands that play Roadstar. You see a pure tune I play. But then you know tune called Quincy Jones. You see no recognize, go sell fudge.
All original Black Cat crew just go and pick up man Papa Scotty and Pink Panther. Let me tell you, so the sound boy are growing a talk about them one.
I'll tell you.
Anytime when you're ready for dead, just show up and make Black Cat flop at a blood clot leg.
Have you flap the dance down, you come tell me about him to see me a flap dance.
Ready road boy.
I will carry the most crowd down your phone. Without the cat, there's no dance.
Gamble let love down, gamble let the love stay. Keep on dub it down, I made it for the black cat I find who keep on playing. Come here till you some say.
Here I go.
It is a hard road to travel, and a mighty long way to go. And anything try to test black cat before the night do the jump and I go play zero. Well, people dead again, black cat I rinse mark 10 people dead again. Sound I get sentence and 8 people dead again. Set me down a cop, burn fed people dead again. Me no hide the gun from like people dead again. Soon I cat a bad boy, I come through. The black cat I come to watch me I take the train line and go program. See if you a look for boy blue. And just crack him skull too because the mother and his father work to mud voodoo. Then if we kill one might as well we kill two. Well, black cat I dust out the whole fucking crew. We coming like a tornado. The party. So boy do like that we control the avenue.
Stop make blood run and lead service. Fit on your battle like a black cat to put it down underground action run and lead service.
All of y'all listen to this.
X amount of things are going again. Black cat, pan the boy, them Papa Scotty, big up yourself, Panther. Original chronicle, don't know so another time for waste lip serve, no work pan post, wall, it's your shot, make blood run and lip service, tongue, yeah, me man. For another time for waste pan rascal, people, X amount of things are going the black again, don't know so black cat, run the cut. Original pies is attack, and open the tape back, original 93 pies and stock, shot up the pussy, wall art. Yeah, me tell the boy, then man, watch this. Shot, make blood run, and lip service, fit on your battle like a black cat, to put the sound at that drum action run, and lip service, we press a battle like a black cat, to put the boy in a earth, boy no move. You must think a slingshot, this boy no move. This will make you read 6 foot 6, boy no move. Yes, we have the oversized clip, boy no move. No, we no shoot and miss, boy no. You never hear what the general said, boy no move. You move, maybe shut off your head, boy move. And the little boy start vex, blood run, and lip service, fit on your battle like a black cat, to put the drum not from action run. A lip service, we press a battle like a black cat to put it down and we tell them screw face, you know we not afraid of that. With a bag of lip service and pay mouth chat. Screw face, you know you never fire shot. Action we deal with when we a launch and I take him. This one now have nothing, not taking nothing. Parents with nothing hating, him I want take him.
Put your you know so can't fit out. Ball it out the man a fucking a your mouth, gala. Ready and I want act your heart. Black cat girl them no bite man cock so you tight, but angry up top. Only them most what abuse. Give up you a some girl tight, but angry up top. Only them most what use them bite man. Some girl tight up top and walk in between. Me have to wonder if them pum lean. You see them mouth tight but them pum it to in. But if you in the dance and you see a bow cat what that. Just afraid fi find pan that. And then after that you ball out tight at your tweet. Then a girl
Listen to it.
ram dance sound. Black cat a ram dance sound. Ram dance.
Listen to this, you.
Black cat a ram dance sound. Black cat a roughneck sound. Roughneck sound. Black cat a roughneck. Black cat a fire. In the sun wire pop.
I know I don't play a fucking tune in the youth. A joke thing this man got me bed, carrying on a use. When I hear the man tell me, say, a good thing him not do with me is give him a blowjob. If you wasn't talk to you, you can shoot in your mouth. Big rats! You promote Batman thing. No!
Cat a ram dance sound. Black cat a ram dance sound. Ram dance sound. Black cat a the ram dance sound.
One more before star, road star.
Roughneck sound. Black cat a roughneck. Black cat a fire. In the sun wire papa. Ay. Yo. Black cat in fling fire. In the sun wire papa. Bring me Moncho Agua. If I saw I heard your die, you did. Jesus Christ. I back it on from me, no nowhere. Come up a town, no can make a point still.
No!
When he hear black cat play, him say Mousy, Kylo. Black cat we go to Kylo. Black cat don't die, that's so. Why yo? Black cat
Stanley!
let's say he went downtown for a walk.
Watch this!
And when he come back, he think him is at the door. Him rap his fight trying his
No!
Him say Mousy, Kylo. Black cat that we go to Kaisulu.
Yo!
How are them get power? How are them get both way? And if them dead black cat, them a go dead and bury. When them get power, how are them get both way?
stop you, cause waste your voice, cause the sound that they have to kill. Dances. Me I play tune, I'm not here I play the tune, so it make no sense. Me just play 2 tunes and go up my girl, cause you don't know.
Black Cat, yeah, Warrington, Easy Pink Panther, Scotty, Sunshine, Lunzi, God fear respect, big like a 4-4 Magnum, I'm here, put on a watcher. You will come back to
see the report now, see?
I'm out pink illegal in the country. What you believe Pink Panther get for know? You don't talk up in front of man's face. When you talk, we smell it through the speaker. You want to kill people, I'm kill them, watcher. You want to talk to people like this. Why more pink? People, he say eat pink. Hallelujah, eat pink. And people know what they eat pink. In the morning, he mouth pink. And in the evening, your mouth pink.
Massive, listen.
That's what talking good for.
I tell you already, I want son to play, cause the next son a gramophone.
That's what talking, you know. Boom shot. Ah, yeah. Give me black.
I waste of time, this. Still I say
champion sound. No. Black Cat is coming, sound boy. Black Cat is coming now. Black Cat.
Chuck and boot, man. No why you no more. Now come here, I got my girl, because this is like taking a candy from a baby. Because me I play tune, and you now play back the tune, so it makes sense. I never want to play the tune upon your Quinty, but I gotta make you know it's a roughneck, this is a touch with you.
Well, Scotty and Panther, settle with him, and the people, them love it. All girls, stack up, come for blocking all the crosses this year. Play with them, road boy.
Grammy kid.
That's why we are Scotty. I'm weak for him. You just want a cherry girl kick. No! Stop your fool, boy. This is Black Cat. Black Cat. And them strong and no beard, and on the something.
Massive, really, me not say nothing. Roadstar can play, I want a rascal to go on. Roadstar is the type of tune the Black Cat play without sound. Yeah, you may use it, come take the mic, now got me out here, so I can waste of time this.
Ready, man, the people love it. All girls, stack up, come for blocking all the crosses this year. Play with them, road boy. Look why we are Scotty. I'm weak for him stomach. You just want a cherry girl kick or a perm rod. Stop your sucking, boy. This is Black Cat. Black Cat. And them sit down and a wait and a next something that anytime you see Black Cat, you know that's the one. If you sit down and a wait and a next number one, anytime you see Black Cat, them in a dance hall session. Dance hall game, you know outside round.
Original wicked man from Black.
Well, Scotty and Panther, settle with him, the people, them love it. All girls, stack up, come for blocking all the crosses this year. Play with them, road boy. Look why we are Scotty. I'm weak.
Hold on. If you play a tune even near to this, me stop select sound, I'm gonna turn dentist.
Play with them, road boy. Look why we are Scotty. I'm weak for him stomach. You just want a cherry girl kick or a perm rod.
You are going on,
boy. This is Black Cat. Black Cat. And them sit down and a wait and a next something. Anytime you see Black Cat, you know say that we are what. If you sit down and a wait and a next number one. Anytime you see Black Cat, you know dance session. Dance hall game, you know outside ramp. That's not the dance hall session. Pack it up a woman, pull it up.
Original bad man from Black Cat, I want to the talk. And a friend of Eden, cause we are bad man said speed.
Run the rhythm, Steve, because the band rhythm, and the people, them love it. All girls, come for blocking all the crosses this year. Play with them, road boy. Look why we are Scotty. I'm weak for him stomach. You just want a cherry.
How's it made us start?
Stop your sucking, boy. This is Black Cat.
You are one boy.
And them sit down and a wait and a next something. Anytime you see Black Cat, you know say that we are what. If you sit down and a wait and a next number one. Anytime you see Black Cat, them in a dance hall session. Dance hall game, you know outside ramp. Black Cat it back in the dance hall session. Pack it up a woman. Girls like
Shoot out!
Earlier, was a winner sprout.
blocking all the crosses this year. Play with road boy. Look why we are Scotty. I'm weak for him stomach. You just want a cherry girl kick. Stop your sucking. Give me Black Cat. Black Cat.
You are one.
And them sit down and a wait and a next something that anytime you see black cat, you know say that we are what. If you sit down and wait, and the next number one. Anytime you see black cat, him in a dance session. All them see no outside Rambo. Black cat is that in the dance session. Pack it up a woman, pull it up a man. Girls like woman like man. At the dance here, it's a dance.
We go hang them and make them know that we see. Black Jack come to destroy them.
Watch this.
And make them know that my sound is dangerous. Tonight we go hang them and make them know that we serious. Black Jack come to destroy them and make them know that my sound is dangerous. Lord, you this. Them come and go on like a ranking, but tonight they must get a spanking. Let me tell you something, respect Black Jack. When they miss electing tonight, we go and hang them and make them know that we're serious. Black Jack come to destroy them and make them know that my sound is dangerous. We are gonna hang them and make them know that we're serious. Now Black Jack are gonna hang them and make them know that we're dangerous. Lord, we won't show them no mercy.
Why you named Quincy Jones? If you got what you can't save you, I'm said one old dog. Young people for nothing. Don't worry, Zebra, everything curves.
Think I could freeze ya.
Massive. Again, to understand, there's only come and try to study the Pink Panther. Take the cassette and go out every yard and practice. We don't practice to kill people, we ban for murder people. So listen to you. It's like this. So listen. So watch this. Oh God.
Natural mystic flow.
I tell you, respect Joe. Chill on the crown for a long time. I come and say murder people and drink blood. So watch it. No. I'll tell you. Oh God. So much is. Many more will have to die. So listen to
We all massive. No respect, see? They go man like Papa. Tarzan just go on all time. Steady. Enough respect, see? Easy. I'm Prince Junior in the place. I didn't monitor past you, man. Hey. Son boy. You're going to die. Hey. You can play what you never know. The dance on the ground, so.
I would like to know what's wrong. I tell you when Panther on this, no pussy test this. You take man for dentist, we are this.
I'm Prince Junior in the place. I didn't monitor past you, man. Hey. Son boy. You're going to die. Hey, you can play what you never know. The dance on no ground so, no ground so. You can reap what you never saw. No something no sing so, no sing so. We no play no drum back, someone in the dance hall. No, I must have an apple that's going to tell with enough anchor spec and knee spec and respect.
I tell you,
Black
Zebra set goods.
Hear this.
In our crew.
Hey,
son boy. You're going to die.
Don't do it.
Hey, we no afraid of no jump and someone in the dance hall. Son boy, we tell them. We no afraid of no jump and someone in the dance hall.
I remember this youth. This half an hour now when I'm boring thing tonight. So listen to it. So watch this.
Last time. They don't just sound like Black Cat and Son of Rough Man. Now big up all Christian crew, Manchester crew, Greenville crew.
Chilani crew.
So wait there.
Listen to
Don't just sound, no come later. Easy Ninja Kid. Then I'm gonna sing. I say your sound if in Magada. Magada will sound round like you.
Old man. Your respect plan. Don't worry, intention is invention. So listen.
They don't just sound like Black Cat and Son of Rough Man. Now big up all Christian crew, Manchester crew, Greenville crew.
And all the Stetton crew. On the respect crew. Come in dancing and kill some.
No big Panther chop. Then I'm gonna sing. I say your sound if in Magada. Magada will sound round like you. I say you jump out of line. You wanna in a Black Cat fire. You know chest. I say your sound if in Magada. Magada go turn round. Panther jump out of frying pan. They wanna in a Black Cat fire. You know the last. We come stronger for some boy test. We yes, you have to live longer. Control every area. Manage everybody. Do good. It's for your man. You must prosper. I came and I saw. No Black Cat conquer. We have a name brand. Don't come same boy. The original conquer. We are to with them. Don't you know we are no stranger? Come woman and sing. You say that you're starving for Magada. Magada will turn round like you. I say you jump out and fire. They wanna in a Black Cat fire.
One ENC. Don't say no songs. Don't bother we. No songs. Can't no songs. Don't
I'll tell you.
no songs. Can't tell me if I had to live my life without a Black Cat name.
One more time, you listen, artists, come in, you.
Seen on the road area tag right here, yo. Seen? And we're not afraid of nobody, because we are big people. We stop in the bar and buy our matches, and we have flash around. Right? But you have the selector, boy. You're friend for Black Cat selector, eh? Me know you're so coward, man. Me know why, man. You name too much breadfruit. You know you name breadfruit. Wall if your ears cock off and you're coward. In crutches. You hear me, Lindsay?
I'll tell you.
Yeah, man.
Come in, you.
I am Black Cat crew, Christian and massive sparring crew, man.
Now, Panther, respect.
Further race anytime come, man.
Second youth.
Sunshine for the case. Oh God, oh God.
So,
We say no songs. Don't bother we.
I'll
No
tell you.
songs. Can't threaten we. We say no songs. Don't bother we. No songs. If I had to live my life without a Black Cat name, my days will all be empty. My life will feel so low. Oh, when I know that Black Cat sound will rule forever, and we run the bottom. Oh God, we run every time. Black Cat say you are my champion. Make so wrong every time. Listen, no songs, no bother with no songs.
now shine. Come in, you.
Sunshine again, Black Cat again.
All those ladies.
Every time I listen to the Black Cat sound, waiting for my favorite song. I'll sing along.
Okay, sunshine. That's your original Jar Rodeo from Boucher City. Original Chilana crew.
Hey, this is the champion soon that rule all around. Black Cat. This is them somewhere over this water, but them a fucker, man. We're gonna stop fuck, man, yeah? Can't a fucker, man. Black Cat original talk. Fucking
Now listen.
fuck off, Mr. Soul.
Come in, Zebra.
If a big son boy boss, I can't get
Simple.
this back out the way.
I'll tell you.
Looks rich and Black Cat son. Philip,
Here we go.
you're dead son boy, listen to me. Alright, you turn Black Cat. Stop. Here come the Black Cat. Yeah, son boy, you better dress back.
It's the Zebra. Come cross and kill some.
Hey, this is the champion son that rule all around. Black Cat. This is them somewhere over this water, but them a fucker, man. We're gonna stop fuck, man, yeah? Can't a fucker, man. Black Cat original talk. Fuck enough, man. Fuck off, Mr. Soundman, girl. If a big son boy bust, I can't get this back out of it. Move over those reactions, Black Cat son. Philip, how am I talking about? You're dead son boy, listen to this. Alright, you turn Black Cat. Baba, here come the Black Cat. Yeah, son boy, you better dress back. Baba, here come the Black Cat. Yeah, son boy, you better dress back. Baby, move over. Black Cat jump over the helicopter. You see Black Cat come now, here Black Cat. Baba, here come the Black Cat. Baba, you know so we coming in hot. Baba, here come the Black Cat. Baba, you know so we book up in a trailer, you know, book up in a Black Cat. Book up in a Black Cat, you must get far. Book up in a trailer, you know, book up in a Black Cat. Book up in a Black Cat.
Now, Zebra, I remember it's half an hour sin. Send us listen to Anchor.
Oi, 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 oi. Lord have mercy.
Now, Junior.
The Lord is my light and my salvation. Tell me whom shall I
Pull up. And I wanna hear me play my sound. I not disrespect, I just play tune. So if I disrespect, go and make sure you can defend yourself. Come in, T.
Oi, 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 oi.
Anchor.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Tell me whom shall I fear, Lord? When the wicked them come up and fight to beat up my flesh, then they tumble down and fall. Rasta know that time will tell. We bust out a hell, we break them spell. Rasta know that time will tell.
Now, Cockle J, you have a new tune for the man of die house. I don't kill people. Listen to the tune now. Come in, you. Simple. Tune, I want to listen to the words of the massive. I teach. Listen to the words of the tune. One more time. Marley, you know it's the earliest said we just go and watch your right. See?
Yeah man, son boy, I walk man with dog in your hand. And what you gonna do with that one? Oh God man, Panther catch up that thing, the one they can't play man, a glamour Tony attack. Big up for the set, Black Cat girls are right over the group, Panther action, all of the girl them. You up now, we almost murder son boy.
Now Chronicle.
Oh, fat baby, he's a...
Yeah, you look at my chest.
Chronicle.
Yeah man. I'll tell you. Now Chronicle alongside with you and Fabulous. Come in and German.
Hey. Well, Patonia, well in Milan, Black Cat killers in Pan.
What?
Well, Patonia, well in Milan, Black Cat from the old pan. What a boom boom class and bush and pen. Black Cat killers in Pan. Boom boom class and bush and pen.
Pull up Chronicle.
Yeah, man. Black Cat kill them again. Come on! Hey! Well, Patonia, well, Milan, Black Cat killers in Pan. Well, Patonia, Black Cat in the old pan. What a boom boom class and bush and peng. Black Cat killers in Pan again. What a boom boom class and bush and peng. Yes, we will need a whole pan again. It ain't killing time. Black Cat, this is your time. Your time, your time. Killing time. Black Cat, this is your time. Boy. From the mark to the cemetery, Black Cat said, from the mark to the cemetery, Rasta no send them a bear.
Now Fuzzy. Hold on for your girl.
God, this is your time.
I tell you.
Time, killing time.
Now fabulous. Come in, youth.
What the Lord, son by Valley. Lord, son by Valley. So little Babalung, Black Cat killer sing fun again. So little Babalung, Black Cat will need a whole fun again. Still in time.
Here one to the party boy then.
Your time.
That's why it was the mountain to shot the batty boy them. It's like a show, head up in a Harlem. It was the mountain to shot the sound guy them. All Boogarin happy eno. Look how the girl them sexy and sweet. Hit the glimity, let them underneath. Want it every day, don't mention the week.
Black Cat a play. No way.
Now friends.
Seven time
One ENT.
Don't need to beg, don't need to show off. Go. Mr. Big when you see the front end to go on. So me say, look what yourself, can't you see we I want? Go when you go with the big bag of double, to complete got the heavyweight. Show them that cat that is number one, so A1 so.
Watch this, watch ya, no retreat, no surrender. We not lotion, pet and powder.
Come in, my youth.
Black Cat just for that sound boy. Oh God, man, Panther the wickedest selected in the whole wide world. Who said that? No me glamour Tony man. I ain't stand that man. I gonna hunting. Get off fabulous. Let's murder them fast around you.
Fast, right up. Help us, that's what I'm kidding, it's a real big deal. No retreat, no surrender, sound guy, watch this. Black Cat too. Watch this, watch ya, no retreat, no surrender. We not lotion, pet and powder. Black Cat said no retreat, no surrender. We not lotion, pet and powder. We not powder, pet and lotion, this here. Anything test me can't do in a wheel. Look good a kick like a stallion, jump like a beer. That not go matter me still not go care. It's like backtrack, find extra gear things. Don't go phone a side party with side skate, that's why. No retreat, no surrender. We not lotion, pet and powder. We tell them no retreat, no surrender. We not lotion, what's this?
Now fabulous.
Tell it to sound a long time in your body. Keep your mouth locked, keep yourself calm. I know everything you hear. You fit talk back sound. Don't you know say you will get gunshot. Teeth in your skin, big sound in your grin. So how the hell you come this too? And I play like you're tough, you're not back from nothing. But you start, now you're in a mess and trouble. I know assassin, I'll suicide this. It's a mission to kill a Black Cat, I gotta do it.
Alright, fabulous. Listen and tune and massive. Listen warm out. Go on, listen artists. Come in, youths.
All sound on the head burst. Can remember this, a Black Cat play this one first. Sin, call it musical test and look for quench. Oh, that's it. Touch grass. Oh, the sound class, here we go. Yeah. God, it's still killing on that song.
Dance it.
Yeah.
This is simple.
Somebody dead now.
It goes like this.
Whoa.
Here, what you?
Black Cat to rule. Oh, yeah. No sound test the Black Cat. No sound can defeat us. No sound test the Black Cat. No sound can defeat us. And no sound of like Black Cat. No way. You see, I'm dead, and I don't intend to deny. I'm dead, and I just can't hide it. In your little diggy sound, you shouldn't say what you said. No, you get cat mad. I'm feeling like I'm gonna break your head. No sound test the Black Cat. No sound can defeat us. No sound test the Black Cat. No sound test the Black Cat. And no sound test the Black Cat. Come tell me what you want to do.
Example, like a song, give me look and tell them we murder people for less than nothing. Up it
Now kill him.
look and tell the good body girl you can't take the chance. Let me tell them something. Oh God, original Black Cat. When the girl them a cry for, I them a cry for the like them kick out. If them don't get it, them girl and cut.
I tell him. Why not tell him the vibes?
Let me tell them something. Oh
God, original black cat. When the girl them a cry for. Girl them a cry for the long donkey cat. If them no get it, them go long cat. Run to your boy if it can't do the job. Girl know what a matty act like a big lad. Girl know what no matty wet up them son. Girl want a matty angle or bad.
I love it. One more time, yo, Jack.
Girl them a cry for the long donkey cat. If them no get it, them go long bad. Run to your boy if it can't do the job. Girl know what a matty act like a big lad. Girl know what no matty wet up them salad. Girl want a matty angle or bad. Push it in far and me ear she a grab. Girl a scream out just like a wild lang. Girl them a cry for the long donkey cat. Girl them a cry for the long stick iron. Girl know what a man if him can't perform long. Black cat man and them a turn and a jam. Work on a kill, we a kill out to run. What the girl she a ball but they want condition. Over the cocky the girls are going bad. Black cat girl them a galang bad. And if them don't get the cocky it's like them white man. 7 days of the week them want it bad. Hello love black cat sound put up on your hand. Hello black cat sound me. Me no give a damn. Me shot man in front of
One more to roadside.
Jack man, X amount of compact man. The dodge are gonna diesel.
One more.
Lad blows about jump near for the
Now
bang.
get
Do
to me.
it. You know we're popping off all bogus bad. Shove out. Italy out. Gobble love, gobble love, stay keep on double down me. Hello love, black cat sound put up on your hand. Bang bang bang. Hello, one black cat sound make me solo. Really? Me no give a damn. Me shot man in front of station. Watch out, look out after the half a mojan. Me no give a damn. We shot man in front of station. Jonah cat the violin. I'm on a long time man. Me tell about old veteran. And the guy a just come bout say him a name brand. I take the train line and go for the king of Riverton. And when me whistle it one time him talk about a Sandokan. And when him hear the John him say a naughty Morgan. But the killer jump and I just went in. I know you bleeding. I know you planning. Don't include weed. I said here we are. Hallelujah. That's gonna kill you.
Watch this.
Longing from shelters, from all that we see. Why should we worry?
Don't worry.
Summer here now. Look at yourself now. So far away. We got tonight. Who needs tomorrow? We got tonight. Run away night all time. So why? Listen, I can remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care. When the sun was you, black cat I swear I've been through everything there is. Can't imagine kill open sound. Can't imagine anything two of us can do through the years. Black cat never let us down. I love this life we made. Now that we kill the open sound through the years. Black cat are the #1 sound. I love this life we made. I'm so glad I stay right here. I stay with you through the heat.
Alright, Major. And when I step inside dance hall like some girls and them look good. When I have a contest with all the girls, them look good. And I know them not suck no wood, so listen to this. Real. No.
You say me lucky.
Listen to you.
Not because you're fat. You won't come touch me.
I'll tell you.
Not because you're fat.
Last tune.
You won't come touch me. But I'm a dreadlock.
Alright. Road friend them bus. Now. I want to take roads down. I'm going to come like place of peace with a chest of tranquility and get yourself in a worries you could use. Worries you put yourself in a Quincy Jones or where you want name. A promoter man sound. Is your son want more promotion one way? But Darius, we stop that about Darius and a beauty. I want here. A Gene and Paul like a run thing. Darius get all and put on. No. hear me? There's a kill people, you know, I'm not pet nobody. I can't call up man, you take man for clowns.
Yeah, man. Original wickedness murderer. All Christian and bad man, kill, steal, and take to the gun, back, cat, man, art, yes, shit. Original black. No. Watch out, man. Stop it. Stop out. Black.
Hold on. I know I love it, but let's don't jump near this.
All Christian and bad man, clean steel and take to the gun, back, cat, man. Next amount of respect, man. Sunshine, you the bigger Papa Cat, got his shit up, man. Original Shaggy Wonder on him, we have to respect. Yes, sir. Anything test the cat, dead. What was said dead, we mean it is dead. Original black cat, watch out, man. Got it. Have mercy. What tell the boy them say? I'm murdered in earth. Anything test the black cat, them all go dead. No! Murdered in earth. Any so fast for the life, we kill dead. We must crush them, black cat, they rush them. Anything test, we are go kill them. Fast part the line, we eliminate them. Tell them, say them on a problem. The family and me perky them. Tell them tonight are the last of them. Rush them, black cat, they rush them. We have the basket, we eliminate them. We have the 16, we go shot them. We have the Termanuga, we go kill them. If the fast part the line, we go murder them. Murder them,
As I walk into the dance hall, I hear Black Cat play with a sweet, sweet melody and songs of memories. And no other sound can play so sweet like you. So never try to throw you to the ground. So it's ever lead its own boy, Black Cat throw to the ground. And that play for the lovers in the valley of the dawn.
Me a the young man, Dan man, reggae champion. Champion reggae man, Dan man, Dan.
I tell you. Get to your temper.
Stop back and play this, you understand? So somebody
I tell you.
Part one, this is the part two. Now you walk one, rhythm. And them case again, man.
Walk one, ENT.
Me a the long man, Dan man, reggae champion. Champion, the full time. Put lash fitted and light in a pan. Pan in light and dead body man. Pedestrian walk 10 furlong. Furlong 10 walk pedestrian. Cinnamon box and pen up. Watch the man. Son of man, body man, running out of your yard.
Wagwan ENT.